Top 5 Excel Tips for Beginners. Number 1. AutoSum. Let's start with the most basic yet powerful tool in Excel. First, go to the empty cell below the numbers. Then press Alt and equals symbol together and click Enter. Or select AutoSum from the Home tab. Press Enter. It's that simple. Number 2. Flash Fill. Don't do this in Excel. Use Flash Fill instead. Start typing the first full name. Then select the cell below. Press Ctrl and E at the same time. Flash Fill will automatically combine the first and last names into a cell. Number 3. Sort and filter. Go to the first cell in the table header. Press Ctrl-Shift-L at the same time. The table header will now be filterable. With this, you can easily filter any column by the value you want. If you want to group the values in your table from A to Z, from largest to smallest, or vice versa, use the sort function. To do this, go to the Home tab and select Sort and Filter. The data in the table has been sorted from smallest to largest. Number 4. Freeze panes. As you can see, the table is long and you can't see the header or the first column. To keep the first column visible while scrolling to the end of the table, select the first column. Go to the View tab, click on Freeze Panes, and then click Freeze Panes again. This will freeze the first column, so when you scroll to the right, the first column will stay in place. To return to the previous state, go to the View tab and click Unfreeze Panes. If you want to keep the table header fixed, select the row just below the headers. Then go to the View tab and choose Freeze Panes again. Now the headers will remain visible while scrolling down. To return to the previous state, you can click Unfreeze Panes. Number 5. Data validation. With data validation, you can create a drop-down list and control the input. Select the cell or range. Go to the Data tab and click Data Validation. In the window that opens, under Allow, select List. Now enter the items you want in the list, separated by commas, for example, low, medium, hard. Click OK. Now when you click the cell, a drop-down arrow will appear. Here you can sort your daily tasks based on their difficulty. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions.